right, welcome to the OneSchool Global North America Pedagogy Playground. Let's come on through.
Most exciting thing about attending this conference is the Pedagogy Playground. We get a lot of different activities to get involved with, challenge ourselves, push ourselves, and actually have a good time with our colleagues that we don't get to see day to day.
Hi y'all, I'm Jenna. I'm with ExploreLearning, and we have gizmos, interactive simulations for math and science. We're having a great time chatting with all of these amazing educators, talking to them more about how they can have more active engagement in their classes. The spirit in here is phenomenal. The overwhelming amount of enthusiasm is refreshing and exciting.
We're here at the STEMagination booth where we are promoting less talk and more action through activities that promote critical thinking and problem solving. So let's see how it's going. So it's great activities to promote critical thinking, learning, and also collaboration, team building, and a variety of different skills we are promoting to prepare our students to be life ready.
We are